Question 22. The following table gives the lifetime in days of 100 electricity tubes of a certain make. Lifetime in days: less than 50, less than 100, less than 150, less than 200, less than 250, less than 300. Class interval is 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, and 250 to 300. And its cumulative frequency, so Fi, that is 8 as it is, and 23 minus 8. 23 minus 8 is equal to 13 minus 8 is equal to 5, 15. That is 15. And 55 minus 23, 2 and 3, 33. 81 minus 55, 6, 2, 26. 93 minus 81, 2, 1, 12. 100 minus 93, that is equal to 7, its frequency. And mid value, that is xi, 0 plus 50 upon 2, that is equal to 25, and 50 plus 100 upon 2 is 75, 220, 100 plus 150, that is equal to 250, and 250 divided by 2 is 125, 175, 225, 275. Let us assume A is equal to 125, then Di is equal to xi minus A. 25 minus 125 is minus 100. 75 minus 125 is minus 50. 0, 50, 100, 275 minus 125 is 150. Then FIDI, 100 into 8 minus 800, 15 into 50 minus 750, 0 into 33 is 0, 50 into 26, that is 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 2 are 10 plus 3 13, 1300, 100 into 12, that is 1200, and 150 into 7, 105, 15 sevens are 105 and 10. Sum of negative number is equal to 0, 5, 1550, negative, and 0, 5, 0, 5, 5, 3. 3550 minus 1550. Summation FIDI is equal to 2000. So mean x dash is equal to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Sum of frequency is equal to 100, which implies a is equal to 125 plus fi di is equal to 2000 upon summation fi is equal to 100. 0 0 is cancelled and we get mean equal to 125 plus 20, that is equal to 145 days. Answer: given less than 50, given class interval is less than 50 means 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, and 200 to 250, 250 to 300, and its cumulative frequency CF. CF means cumulative frequency, so we are converting this in frequency. 8 as it is, and 23 minus 8 is equal to 15, 55 minus 23 is equal to 33, and 81 minus 55 is equal to 26, 93 minus 81 is equal to 12, 100 minus 93, that is equal to 7. And mean value of class interval 0 to 50, that is 0 plus 50 upon 2 equal to 25, then 75, and 125, 175, 225, and 275. We are assuming a is equal to 125 and di is equal to xi minus a. 25 minus 125, that is minus 100. 75 minus 125 is minus 50. 125 minus 125 is 0. 175 minus 125 is 50, and 225 minus 125 is 100, and 275 minus 125, that is equal to 150. So fi di, that is 100 into 8 equal to minus 800, then 50 into 15 negative, that is minus 750, and their sum is negative 1550, and 0 multiplied by 33 is 0, 50 multiplied by 26 is 1300, 100 into 12 is 1200, 150 into 7 is 1050, and sum of positive number is equal to 3550. 3550 minus 1550 equal to 2000. So fi, sum of fi di is equal to 2000, and we know that mean x dash equal to, by shortcut method, a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. A is equal to 125 plus summation fi di is equal to 2000 divided by sum of frequency, that is equal to 100, and 0 0 2 0 is cancelled, so 125 plus 20, that is equal to 145 days. Answer. Thank you.